Here's another place in our town. Here's a loophole. Here's a steeple. Here's another underwater. Here's our friendship. Why I oughta, why I love you too much to say this. Thank you, Paterson. Thank you, Leo. Thank you, Paterson. Thank you, Leo. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing Paterson and Leo. You like Pinegrove, I like Pinegrove. We're gonna learn a Pinegrove song together. It won't be too hard. We've got the capo on the 3rd fret, pick, and we're in drop D. That means these two strings, top and 3rd, are the same note, D. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so this song is short, doesn't have a lot of structure, so I'm not gonna break it down into intro, verse, chorus. We're just gonna talk about it. Okay, so the first chord you have to know is our F. Now remember, we're in drop D, so this F and this F are not gonna cut it. The F we need is this. Okay, that looks painful, and it is a little bit painful, but we can figure it out, don't worry. So I'm taking my ring finger, barring the 3rd fret of the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd strings. Now, if that hurts too much, you can just go for the 1st and 2nd string and mute the 3rd string, okay? Either way works. Figure this shit out down here. Then put your pointer finger on the 5th string, 1st fret. And there you go, that's our F. I would traditionally put our middle finger down on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, but for some reason in the tabs that they provide, they don't do that. He doesn't like to do that. Okay, so to start the song, he goes, Paterson. And the strumming for this is gonna be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's not very complicated. You can probably hear that and figure it out yourself. Not a lot of up strums, not a lot of that. So we go Paterson and Leo to our 2nd chord. Now this is a C you may have seen before, so 3rd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, pointer finger, 5th string, 1st fret. Beautiful. Now we're doing a C over E, so that means this thumb has to touch the 2nd fret on the 1st string, which is not fun. I don't personally enjoy doing that. You could also do this, fingering, okay, if you so prefer. Maybe you could switch these. It's really up to you, but you got to get those frets on those strings covered somehow. Great. So we go Paterson and Leo, and we just alternate. Are wondering how, are wandering around in Brookdale at sundown. So you see how we just alternated all the way through that? Then it starts to change up. Instead of alternating F to C to F to C, we start going F to C over E, which is what we've been doing, to C over D, which is just this, and then back, and then F. So let me demonstrate. In Brookdale at sundown, we are looking for. See how I just opened it up? We are looking. Here's another, back to F, place in our town. Here's a loophole. Here's a steeple. Here's another underwater. Here's our friendship. Why I love you. Okay, so then we get our next new chord, which is A minor with the E. Okay, so A minor is middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, ring finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, pointer finger, 5th string, 1st fret. Okay, and then thumb there. I don't know what you do if you didn't want to do thumb. Maybe this. I don't know. Just, I mean, I guess you have to do your thumb. Okay. So that's kind of like a half bar. So so it's like a half bar. You can please figure that out yourself. And then why I love you back to F. Enough to say this. Then we have a new chord. Thank you, Paterson. So this goes in place of the F. So we could do an F here, but instead we're gonna do this, which I'm not as sure what it's called, but that's gonna be middle finger, 3rd fret, 3rd string, pointer finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 5th string, 3rd fret. Thank you, Paterson. Thank you, back to C over E. Leo. Thank you, Paterson. Back to F. Thank you, Leo. And you end on D over C. Open. Okay? So that's the whole song. I hope I enlightened you today and I did the tutorial well enough to your liking. If I added some value to your day, please drop me a like. If you're into this stuff, you like Pinegrove, definitely subscribe. And yeah, have a great day.